baby bees.
You're gonna see them scatter a little bit. If they get to be, they're usually not too bad. They're usually pretty good.
Like smoke went out.
No, it's just the wind. And it's just light. There's the smoke around them. Smoke's kind of makes them spread a little bit and makes them run away. Kind of confuses their little sensories. Don't put out the hormone to say, hey, we in distress. Stuff like that.
Couple of little fellas lost on the lid.
Yeah, it happens. Swarm is. We found it in our house. It was up underneath that like about 2 weeks or something like that. I'm trying to get this. Second frame. Just help me stick them together soon.
You want to wear your gloves?
We can.
I've always been on TV, never in real life.
Gotcha.
First Beehive.
Oh, they got some in there, baby.
Oh, yeah, they got a bunch in there. We gotta set this one here on the side. They're gonna get a little more. They might get a little louder too. You might hear them start getting a
Hey,
little
Chris. Chris is on, Dylan.
What's happening, Chris?
Oh, you got some ants?
We're checking out a beehive. One of our friends is beehive at his house. I've never done this before. How about you, baby? You seen a beehive before? You done this before?
Not one in the box.
Not one in the box? Oh, yeah, right? We have one on our channel that you found.
Yeah, I done found them out plenty of times, and I done had them in trees at work and stuff.
Next 2 or 3 should
So how many you thinking in here? I know y'all was telling me the story of where they coming from. So they coming from out the shed over here.
Much, baby.
Oh, look at that, y'all. Check that out.
Wow, look at how beautiful. It's a heart.
It's a heart.
It looked like an anatomically correct heart almost.
Right. That's a honeycomb. That's a bunch of honey. You get in there and you can see them building their honey there.
I'm getting close for y'all. Just for y'all.
Ah, you better get closer.
We're gonna set this one back in here.
Yeah.
It's got some greatness in this one.
This next one's gonna be heavy.
It's gonna be full.
This is the brood frame. Usually this is where the queen is.
Alright, y'all heard that? That's usually where the queen is.
This is where I found her the last 2.
Why? It's because it's in the middle?
Well,
Or
it's because it's like the brood frame is the frame where they
the brood frame. Okay.
Where she lays her eggs, where the queen lays her eggs.
Alright, so that makes sense. That's why she there.
She's usually at this one. It's pretty heavy. Oh look, yeah, she's on the back side here near me. If you wanna look right here, look, she's right here.
Got it.
Dylan gonna have that queen footage of that queen for y'all later on.
I'm gonna turn it around.
Up
She's
close
actually
and
gonna-
personal.
She's gonna try to run to the other side, but it's light on the other side also. But she's down here on the bottom, running across the bottom.
Look right here.
Ah.
Yep, there she is.
Yep.
Yep.
I see it.
Ah, great. Ah, awesome.
I see that, yes. Check it out, y'all.
This frame was built
Got
by
a little
them
bit
with
of-
no foundation in it too. They built this comb all they by themselves.
That's 100% their comb.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, it was a little piece of that comb that left whenever I took the swarm from under the house.
So they got a
The
little piece on the bottom there. What do you
Yeah.
feel about that?
Sometimes you can just take the box off the top, off the bottom, because they separate here.
Gotcha.
And you can just scrape it off the
Scrape
bottom if you want. This next frame is pretty full too. It's probably mostly honey. Girls.
Yeah, you can see it. Look at that. Oh, that's looking tasty.
It smells good. You can literally smell it. If you get close enough, you can smell it.
Oh, if we only had smell-o-vision one day.
Smell-o-vision.
This,
Yeah, it's a good side there.
you can see the foundation in the bottom of this one where you couldn't see the
Need a
foundation
straw.
in the other one.
Oh, zoomed in too
Yeah.
much.
Stick a little straw in that. Yeah, you can tell it looks, it looks darker too.
Yeah, look
Doesn't
down
look
in that
as-
corner,
as
you
white.
see that black down in the corner? The little black frame down in
Yeah.
the corner? Yeah. That's a little foundation so they can
Ah,
So they
gotcha.
build. That's what's in
Start
them other
building off of
frames.
that.
Yeah, it gives them a little help. It's also coated in beeswax. So they like, okay, yeah, we like this stuff.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they,
They instantly start to use it.
yeah. Like I said too, they very docile bees, honestly.
That's it. So what do you do to kind of spread them out more? You go take some of these and put them on this end and take some
No,
of these?
you try to keep all the frames in the same direction and in the same spot because they work on like GPS systems. there,
GPS
you know what I'm saying? They
systems,
kind of like
yeah.
Different smells
like the
for
hive I
different
caught
things.
over
Think of
here. I'm
that.
gonna have to wait till late evening whenever they all
Look,
come
we
back
got
to the
another
box,
hive right there.
and then I'm gonna bring them over here, and then tomorrow morning whenever they go to fly, they're gonna fly around their box first, and then they're gonna take off, and that's them basically setting their GPS.
Yeah. They got a whole nother hive too over there.
They're
in
amazing,
the house. in the
amazing
trailer
little
there.
creatures,
In the
man.
trail.
I've
Yeah, I
always
was
been
telling about
fascinated
that's how
by them, but I ain't
Yeah.
never wanted to
Coming
keep them
from.
until this swarm came
I want
through.
to come for the next collection.
But I say, and it's been 2 weeks since I've opened it, and if you go watch the first
Oh, there wasn't nothing.
Yeah,
week,
a little bit on this
Yeah.
side.
there
They're
wasn't
working
very
on it.
much. I didn't edit a
Nice
video
chunk
for the
on
second
this one.
time opening because my camera angle was horrible and you couldn't really see nothing. So
You got
I
it?
didn't even do nothing with that footage. I just kind of kept it to myself.
It's for you.
But they working on it too. This is
Yeah.
nice.
So they got a nice spot filling in over here.
Beautiful. Look at the drip.
It's all nectar. And it's not quite capped honey, but you can see at the top here all that stuff is
Yeah,
capped
they
off.
capping it, yeah.
All that's capped
So
off.
that's a completely
That's
full
all
honey
honey right there.
shaver.
Yeah, you really wait for about 90% of your frame to be capped before you try to pull your honey. But yep, that's them capping the honey. And there ain't nothing really on the back side
Oh
of
god,
this.
it just showed up with some powder.
Just a little bit.
Oh yeah, they all coming
if you
in
watch
with it,
them,
bro.
man,
You come in with
Big
the
old
watch 'em with the
pollen
little yellow
pouches.
nuggets on their legs.
That's basically it, honestly. That's all you really do. You come in here, you come in here, try to see them, you try to find your queen.
You smell it?
You
Yep.
smell it.
You try to get your little gap in right.
Also
My gap
smells like the wood too, so it's,
yeah.
Oh, extra goodness.
My gapping's
yeah, the wood's so new, it's nice.
not quite right.
I'm gonna come in. I want to smell it.
They doing
Oh,
amazing.
come smell it. Bye-bye.
Yeah, watch, they had some ants over there.
Oh,
So watch the
Yeah,
sunflowers.
you probably in
Yeah,
the,
watch the 3 sunflowers there.
Cap, you might be in the hands, Cap.
Yeah.
yeah, because they got me once I got up there.
Yeah, look, you wanna look down into the.
And you just spread that shit out.
That's the frames. That's the frames they really working in right there.
Yeah, it smells
You
right
got all
there.
that? You
smell
got
it.
visual?
This stuff here, you can see on my fingers. They call this propolis.
Propolis, yes, I know.
It's like real. It's real
actually
tacky. It's
use
like
it,
their glue.
On my face, they put in a lot of skincare.
Yeah,
It's really good for your skin.
yeah. They use it like their glue.
Y'all saw that egg? You see that? See
Hey,
movie
you
magic?
can literally, they don't really.
Yeah, look, you see them? They're all on chill mode right now.
Yeah, they don't really bother you. They know that if they sting you, they're gonna die.
Yeah,
They know this.
And as long as you're not fucking with them,
As long as you're not
aggravating them, agitating them in any way,
creating any
I
kind
love
of.
you, bees. I'm happy. I appreciate you.
We will
Oh, yeah, I
very
love
much
the bees.
enjoy everything you're going to produce.
mainly for the honey.
the beeswax.
Yes. Hope your rag.
I'm excited
Wash
for the
your rag behind your
beeswax
cap.
also.
Now we're just gonna.
And check yourself for ants.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
and
working
before
on
you
the
wreck
ant
yourself.
situation over here.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
I'll just respace everything back.
All right, babe, your phone's getting real hot, so I'm about to turn it off since
That's
you're
fine,
done.
baby.
Yeah. Can't handle all that greatness.
Mm-hmm.
These for the kids.
That's what you need right there. Get you some of them little
Little ice packs.
Yeah. But then they don't fit on some. Like you have to do it the other way, so it can sit on the back side of it,
Yeah.
up against it. You know what I mean?
And that's about it.
And throw your lid back on and you're done.
We're gonna throw this here.
Bye, little buddies.
That was pretty much it, y'all. We just wanted to share that with y'all. Thought that was pretty awesome. I stuck lunch boxes info in the description, y'all. Y'all check him out, cause he'll have more info and stuff on this. Cause we at his house. It's his stuff. So if y'all want a continuation of what's going on with the bee boxes, y'all gotta check him out. There's one over there as well. So we're not
That's
covering
part
that
two.
one. So y'all gotta look for that one on his channel.
That's part 2, part 3, part 4,
weeks.
part 5.
2
Gonna
weeks
be a
from
bunch
now,
of parts.
we'll probably open that one.
All
In
right,
2
y'all.
weeks, we'll open that one at the same time.
I'm gonna just let y'all chill on the bees for a second.
You want to bring them closer, baby? Drop them down, bring them closer
think
to
you
the
can
front
sit
door.
down.
Yeah, you could do it.
Yeah, that was left over that I couldn't quite fit in the hive. They got a bunch of comb on there. That was some extra comb. I just brought it over here on that shit. They let them eat the honeycomb. Might as well. It'll all be recycled. They'll eat the honey. They'll eat the bee wax.
Oh, really? Yeah? They
Yeah.
eat all of it.
Yep.
Oh,
The only thing that'll be left there is a dry comb. And then I'll pick up the dry
that's one
comb.
thing I don't know nothing about bees at all.
You know what? Until about 3 weeks ago, neither did I. And I
It's
am
crazy how quick you can learn.
I'm
right?
nowhere as near professional or anything of that sort, you know? I'm like
You know
100% internet, YouTube taught, you know,
YouTube universe.
and
Watch them.
I just, yeah, I like them. It's kind of fun, honestly.
I can see the fun in it,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's pretty amazing to watch them do what they do every other week. Pretty cool.
All right, y'all. We'll definitely have an unbuffered version of this because I'm going to show the connection. It's not very
Well
good
out
out
here.
here. So look out for that.
We'll let it go a few more minutes,
And we're going to shut it down.
then we're gonna shut it down. Love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Who all on there? Nick, what's happening, baby? Chris, you the best. What you doing with that cheese? What's going on here? Hi, yes indeed. That's awesome. I love mac and cheese, baby. I could do a channel all on mac and cheese. 14, 10, 14. It's 14:20 on the clock, and I'll shut it down at 20 minutes, I guess. Y'all enjoy these little bee buddies. All right, I love y'all. See you later, little buddies. Peace. Y'all hit that thumbs up button.